Welcome to Total Body Session 2. We'll get started in your space. We're gonna sit spine nice and long for today. A little bit of neck work. Hands out to the side. And we're just gonna let the chin come down to the chest. Rolling the right ear to the right shoulder. Feeling lengthening down the left side of the neck. Pulling back down through center. Left ear to left shoulder. Feeling that nice stretch down the right side. Moving through center. Right ear to right shoulder. Coming right back down. Left ear to left shoulder. And back to center, just letting the chin melt down towards the chest, staying lifted in the spine. Shoulders down and back. And gently lifting the chin and allowing the head to come back. Staying lifted through the chest. Abdomen engaged, create a little bit of length, a little stretch into the front of the neck. And gently come back to center. We're gonna move into half butterfly. So left leg out, right leg in. Adjusting the seat if you need. We're gonna come straight forward today. So not centering over the left leg, straight forward, and just noticing how that changes the sensation in this posture. Melting forward, close down the eyes, and breathe. Checking in with the body and noticing the breath. Choosing a word, maybe a mantra for today. Setting an intention if you like. Just soften and settle here. Calm breath. And slowly reversing your way back up. Take your time. Switching up the legs. Extending the right leg out long, bending up the left leg, so the foot to the inner thigh. Again, we're gonna come straight forward. So adjusting as you need, finding your edge. And just melt forward with the eyes closed. Noticing your body. Staying connected to the breath. Allowing the chest to be heavy, breathing in to tension, breathing into resistance, letting go. And slowly making your way back up. Releasing the legs and coming into a bit of a counter stretch here. So legs out in front of you, hands behind, fingertips face away, lift the chest and just let the head fall back. A few breaths here. Slowly coming up. We're gonna meet in child's pose next. So today, knees together, just melting forward, tuck the arms in by the sides, and just breathe here. Completely releasing. Find your breath and let go. Calm body, calm breath, calm mind. Slowly come up and do a little bit of a toe stretch. So sit kneel down. I'm going to tuck the toes under. Pinky toe might need some help to join the rest of the gang. Hands are forward and you're just going to walk the hands up if you're able to, coming to where you can, not forcing, just creating sensation into the toes. Chest lifted, eyes closed, and breathe. Noticing how your feet feel, how the toes feel. Just a few more breaths. And slowly shift the weight forward. Untuck the toes. Give them a little bit of love. Nice little tap. We're already just about in tabletop, so making our way there. Hips over top of the knees, shoulders right over top of the hands. Let's just move through a couple of cat and cows. Pull the tummy in, let the head hang. Release the belly, looking up towards the ceiling. And pulling the tummy in, rounding the spine. Looking all the way up, releasing the belly. Doing 2 more of each with your breath. Settling back into tabletop. Coming to a seated position. Seated spinal twist. So you're gonna let the left leg be extended out in front of you. Cross the right knee over top of the left. Lengthening through the spine. Right arm can be nice and close in behind you. Left arm reaches up and down across the leg, just reaching down. I want you to lift and look over the right shoulder and take 3 big breaths here. With the inhale, lengthening up. With the exhale, turning to the right. Inhale, spine long. Exhale, turn and twist. Once more, nice long spine. Turn and twist. Gently coming back to center. Extend the right leg, bending up. The left knee and placing the foot close to the right knee. This time, left arm nice and close behind you. Reach the right arm up and over. Pressing in to the left knee. Lengthen the spine. Turn over to the left. So with the inhale, stretch up. With the exhale, turn to the left. Inhale, lengthen up. Exhale, turn and twist. Once more, nice long spine, turn and twist. Nice, and slowly release. Coming back to our comfortable seated position. Long spine, check in with how you feel. Close the eyes. Hands to heart center if you like, sealing in your practice. Gently open the eyes. Hope you enjoyed for today. Namaste.